What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be fishing the creek. I haven't been here in a while. I'm gonna be fishing for some bluegill, maybe some little bass. I have my bass rod also. We'll see if we can make something happen, but for sure bluegill today, and see if we can catch any bass also. Let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, so I am seeing some clouds right now, some big clouds. It doesn't say it's gonna rain, but who knows, guys. With that being said, guys, go ahead and give this video a like right now and subscribe if you haven't already, because creek fishing videos take forever for me to edit. I don't know why. I just catch so many bluegills and it's hard for me to edit it. So go ahead and leave a like, guys, on the video and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get to catching some fish, guys. I have some live bait, some bobbers, which is my favorite type of fishing, guys. I grew up fishing with light gear, bobbers and stuff, worms. Pretty fun, guys. I'm already seeing some bluegill in this area, so hopefully we can catch some fish and get after it, guys. See, y'all probably haven't seen much footage of me fishing. I know I just did my intro not too long ago, but I've been fishing for some time now, probably about 40 minutes or so, and I haven't gotten a single bite. These bluegill are just not having it. I don't know why, guys. I'm gonna move to a different spot, see if I can catch any fish. Go ahead and try to make this video happen and see if I can catch any fish, guys. So I made it to the second spot. I'm seeing like 1, 2, 3, probably like 10 bluegill right here. Well, it's a mix, bluegill, little bass. Hopefully we can catch one, guys. Hopefully they eat it. They seem pretty interested, guys. Like a little bluegill just ate it, guys. And I have them, guys. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. Nearly took one cast. Not a giant. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. Tiny bluegill. I see a ton of little bass here. One of them seemed pretty interested, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a few more casts. Not a bad first fish, guys. I'm seeing a ton of bluegill right here, guys. I see a little bluegill about to eat it. Ooh, that little bluegill just ate it, guys. He has it. He has it. I got him, guys. No way. This is a nicer bluegill. Not a bad one. There we go, guys. Second fish of the day. Not a bad one. Go ahead and throw him over there. There he goes. See if he gets eaten by a big bass. I don't know. See if we can catch some more, guys. I think I'm figuring it out, how to catch these fish. I'm seeing little bluegill eat it right now. Tiny bluegill. Oh, and I have him. I have him, guys. Should I use this guy as bait? Should I, guys? All right, I think I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna try and catch a bass on this. There's some huge bass in here, guys. Like, I'm not even joking. So I'm gonna see if I can entice one. They never want to eat, but maybe with this live bluegill, they'll be enticed to eat it. Oh, does that bluegill have it? I think they have it, guys. Yep. There we go, guys. What is that, third bluegill of the day? Whoa, the hook is way down there, guys. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get the hook out and then go ahead and get a release on this guy. All right, guys, so I was able to get the hook out. He's bleeding a little, but he should be fine. Pretty little fish, guys. Get him back in the water as soon as possible. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can catch another one. I am gonna try one more spot after this. Time check is currently 6:10. I've been here a while, guys. Doesn't feel like it because I've been catching fish, kind of catching fish. Little bluegill sees it, guys. Does he have it? Oh, giant bluegill. Oh, he has it, guys. He has it. Here we go, guys. Fourth bluegill of the day. Is that a bigger one? Can't tell. Get out of the bush, buddy. Here we go, guys. I don't know what type of bluegill this is, guys. I've caught this before in one of my other videos, and I don't know what type of bluegill that is, guys. It's so weird. Such like, I don't know, guys. Let me know down in the comments if you know what that is. There he goes. Let's see if we can catch some more, guys. There's a ton right here. Hopefully a little bass comes out. All right, guys, there's a little bass right here. When I mean little, I mean like a pound. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch him. He seemed interested right now, guys. And of course, the bluegill ate it. There goes a bluegill. What is this, fourth bluegill of the day? This guy's chubby. There you go, guys, fourth bluegill of the day. Go ahead and release him right there. All right, guys, so I made it to the last spot of the day. I'm seeing some perch. Oh, I see a little bass right there. Guys, I have caught a bluegill. Nice. That's like what, the fifth, sixth fish of the day? I don't know. There you go, guys. Fifth or sixth fish of the day. I don't think he even knew he was hooked until like I was right here. There we go, guys. Another little bluegill. So aggressive. These bluegill fight so hard, guys. Not even joking. Hook came right out, and there he goes. Alright, everybody, that is going to do it for today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught a ton of bluegill. I tried my best to catch a bass, and I did not catch one. It got pretty windy and the bite slowed down, so I didn't really have a chance to fish much anymore. So with that being said, guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll catch you next time on JJ Fishes.